Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Tesla Model Y spoiler. This process is straightforward, primarily involving adhesive separation. We will walk through each step, from gathering your tools to the final cleanup. Our goal is to help you achieve a clean removal without damaging your vehicle's finish. This method is designed to be the most effective and safest way to get the job done, ensuring a smooth experience for you. Before starting, gather your essential tools. A heat gun or even a hairdryer is crucial for softening the strong adhesive. You'll also need about 24 inches of sturdy fishing line or dental floss to carefully cut through the bond. Don't forget masking tape to protect your paint and mark the spoiler's position, along with rubbing alcohol and microfiber towels for cleaning. For stubborn residue, an adhesive remover or a rubber wheel will be very helpful. Begin by cleaning the area around the spoiler to remove any dirt. Next, apply masking tape along the edges of the spoiler to protect your paintwork. Now, gently and evenly heat the spoiler with your heat gun or hairdryer. This softens the adhesive. Once warm, carefully slide your fishing line under one end. Use a steady, sawing motion to slowly work the line across the entire length of the spoiler, separating it from the trunk. Take your time to prevent any damage. After the fishing line has cut through all the adhesive, gently lift the spoiler away from the trunk. You might find some large pieces of adhesive remaining. Carefully peel these off by hand. For any stubborn residue, a rubber wheel on a drill or a dedicated adhesive remover works wonders. Finish by cleaning the entire area with rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber towel to ensure a pristine surface. Inspect your paint for any minor marks, which can often be polished out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.